Let's start to learn write alphabet from A to G on dotted lines. A for apple. Let's color with me. B for ball. Let's color with me. C for cat. Let's color with me. D for dog. Let's color with me. E for elephant. Let's color with me. F for fish. Let's color with me. G for goat. Let's color with me. Now let's see how to write A to G letters on dotted lines.
Start at the bottom left corner and draw up to the top. Write with me. Begin at the upward left corner. Draw a straight line up and add to curves. Write with me carefully. Oh, not like this. Great job! Start at the upward right corner and create a semicircle opening to the right. Begin at the upward left corner. Draw a straight line up and add a curve on the right. Start at the upward left corner, draw a straight line up, and add 3 horizontal lines. Begin at the upward left corner, draw a straight line up, and add 2 horizontal lines. Start at the right upward corner, create a semicircle, and add a horizontal line inward. Great job! Everyone, you have done a good job. See you next time.